Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this video. Now we all know that many of you are preparing for FCA AG3 examination, but there are few group of students who are still waiting for notification. And if you are here for knowing कि notification कब आएगा या there is any chances of notification coming in coming month or so and so, so for that right now we do not have any information. But yes, if you are interested कि ये एग्ज़ाम अगर आप अभी प्रिपेयर नहीं कर रहे हो तो ये किस किस बच्चों को किन किन स्टूडेंट्स को ये एग्ज़ाम टारगेट करना चाहिए, फॉर दैट यू आर इन द राइट वीडियो एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इन दिस वीडियो दैट हु शुड टारगेट FCA AG3 2025. किन किन लोगों को ये FCA AG3 का जो एग्ज़ाम है वो टारगेट करना चाहिए, बिकॉज मैनी ऑफ यू माइट नॉट नो दैट यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन. मैनी ऑफ यू माइट बी preparing for any other examination and you can prepare for FCA AG3. So today I'm going to tell you all about that. But before starting, I have a request. We have launched an ebook for you. So if you're genuinely interested in this examination, you can just go to the description box, click on the link, and we have compiled the ebook for general, technical and depot post. So in that ebook you get all the important topics, you get all the decoded syllabus. Not only that, you will get the previous year questions, so you can have that ebook and you can help yourself, right? So with that, we'll start the session, and first let us understand who all are eligible for this examination. First please understand कि क्या आप इस एग्जामिनेशन के एलिजिबल हैं या नहीं हैं. सो इफ़ वी सी एग्जाम एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, तो बहुत सारी क्वेरीज आती है रिगार्डिंग एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन, राइट. बहुत बच्चे पूछते हैं मैम मैं जनरल के लिए एलिजिबल हूँ, मैं टेक्निकल के लिए एलिजिबल हूँ, मैं डिपो के लिए एलिजिबल हूँ. सो फॉर दैट सी अंडरस्टैंड, अगर आपने ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री करी है फॉर ऑन मीन्स फ्रॉम एनी यूनिवर्सिटी, फ्रॉम any recognized university from any subject, ठीक है, just you have done graduation, then you are eligible for general and depot post. ठीक है, तो अब ये तो क्लियर हो गया कि FCA एग्जामिनेशन सब बच्चों के लिए है जिन्होंने भी ग्रेजुएशन क्लियर की है, ठीक है. बट इफ़ यू आर टारगेटिंग स्पेशल पोस्ट लाइक अकाउंट्स एंड टेक्निकल, तो there you need some specific degree. Okay, there is a requirement of some specific degree. Rest, if you have done graduation, तो कोई भी graduate can target this FCA AG3 examination from general and depot post. And if they have some specific degree like they have bachelor's in commerce, then they can go for accounts. And if you have done BSc in agriculture or BSc in normal BSc from any university, and you have subjects like botany, zoology, biotechnology, biochemistry, microbiology and food science, then you are eligible for technical post of AG3. And if you have done BTech, BE in food science or food science and technology, agriculture, engineering, biotechnology from any recognized institute, then again you are eligible for the technical post. Then there is a thing that you should have proficiency in use of computer, but that does not require any computer certification. ठीक है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हमें कोई computer certification चाहिए. You have learned computer in your graduation or in your schools, that shows that you know how to use computer, and that is all what is required. Okay, so you can see that all graduates are eligible for this FCA AG3 examination, and if you are targeting technical and accounts, then there is few requirement that is there, right? If I talk about age, तो हमारी age कितनी होनी चाहिए for this examination? So students, the age should be 27 for unreserved category. ठीक है, if you are from unreserved category, then upper age limit is 27 years. But if you are from SC ST, then 5-year relaxation is there. If you are from OBC category, then there is a 3 years of relaxation. Clear? Now let's understand the exam pattern, and then we'll see कि what exam you can target, okay, or what exam you are already targeting. Along with that, how can you prepare for FCA AG3? ठीक है, so exam pattern FCA AG3 का simple होता है. There are two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. phase 1 में देखो subjects पूछे जाते हैं like English, reasoning, numerical aptitude and general studies, right? So see, quant reasoning English is something that is being asked in n number of examination, right? So if you are preparing for any examination like AFO, NABARD or any SSC examination where general studies will also help, or any other examination like IBPS bank examination, any banking examination, you can target FCA AG3. तो वो बच्चे जो already other examination like SSC, banking examination, IBPS AFO और NABARD examination को target कर रहे हैं या फिर IFCO को target कर रहे हैं, they can easily prepare for this examination. You can see exam pattern is almost same. Quant reasoning English is there. For SSC students, general studies is also common, right? phase 2 की अगर हम बात करें तो phase 2 का भी common ही pattern है. See, if you are preparing for general and depot, then there will be only one test, and the pattern is almost same like your phase 1. तो there is need of only one preparation. एक ही preparation में आपकी phase 1 phase 2 की तैयारी हो जाएगी. बट अगर आप टेक्निकल अकाउंट्स जैसे पोस्ट को टारगेट कर रहे हो, तो वहाँ पे आपका पेपर 2 होगा जो कि पोस्ट स्पेसिफिक होता है. वहाँ पे कुछ स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट्स पूछे जाएंगे, राइट, दैट यू कैन प्रिपेयर. बट सी, लाइक फॉर से इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर नाबार्ड, इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर AFO, तो you are already covering agriculture, right? Now that syllabus also coincides, so you can understand that how can you target and who should target this FCA AG3 examination, because almost exam pattern is same, right? So I have already told you all the graduates can target this examination. All people who are already targeting exams like SSC, bank examination, AFO examination, NABARD examination, or any other examination where quant, reasoning, English and general studies or agriculture is there, you all can target this examination very well, right? So that was all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Before ending, if you're new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want to download the PDF related to FCA examination, you can join our Telegram channel. Before ending this video, I would like to show you our courses. So we have also courses compiled for FCA AG3 preparation. So students, you can visit our website, that is edutab.in, and you can just visit the courses. There we have FCI courses. So we have launched courses for all technical, okay, phase 1 phase 2, and also for general and depot phase 1 phase 2. So you can get our courses if you want to prepare with us. You will get all the concept classes, chapter wise tests, sectional tests, full length mock tests, current affair magazine, and also you will get the weekly mentor talk. So that was regarding our courses. I hope you have liked the video, and thank you for watching. Thank you so much.